Your liver performs over 500 functions every single day. When it struggles, and in modern life it constantly struggles, the consequences show up everywhere. Fatigue, brain fog, hormonal imbalance, stubborn weight. The detox tea industry sells you laxatives. Real liver support looks completely different. Today, I am showing you 10 plants that actually work. Let's get into it. Plant 1, milk thistle. The hepatocyte protector milk thistle is the most clinically studied liver medicine in existence, with decades of research confirming hepatoprotective effects that pharmaceutical medicine has been unable to replicate synthetically. Silymarin stabilizes hepatocyte cell membranes, preventing toxins from entering liver cells, while simultaneously stimulating regeneration of damaged liver tissue. Studies confirm silymarin reduces liver enzyme elevations from alcohol damage, drug toxicity, and viral hepatitis. European physicians have prescribed milk thistle for liver disease for decades. Germany has approved it as a pharmaceutical drug for liver conditions. Take standardized silymarin extract daily for liver cell protection and regeneration. Think of it as the bodyguard standing at the door of every liver cell, keeping toxins out, while damage inside gets repaired. Plant 2, dandelion root. The bile stimulator dandelion root has been used across European, Chinese, and Native American medicine for liver and digestive support for centuries, prescribed specifically for sluggish liver, producing insufficient bile. Taraxacum officinale root stimulates bile production in liver cells and bile release from the gallbladder. Bile is essential for fat digestion, cholesterol elimination, and excretion of toxins the liver processes. When bile flow is sluggish, toxins accumulate in liver tissue and digestive function deteriorates throughout the body. Make dandelion root tea or take standardized extract before meals for bile stimulation and liver drainage. Think of it as the drain cleaner for the liver's primary waste disposal system. Plant 3, turmeric. The liver inflammation reducer. Chronic liver inflammation is the underlying driver of fatty liver disease, liver fibrosis, and progressive liver damage. Turmeric addresses liver inflammation through mechanisms pharmaceutical anti-inflammatory drugs cannot safely replicate for long-term daily use. Curcumin inhibits NF-κB in liver tissue, reducing inflammatory signaling that drives hepatic damage. It also stimulates bile production, improves gallbladder function, and has direct antioxidant effects on liver cells. Studies confirm curcumin reduces liver enzyme markers and improves liver function in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Take turmeric with black pepper daily for liver-specific anti-inflammatory protection. Think of it as the anti-inflammatory specifically beneficial to the most overworked organ in your body. Plant 4, artichoke leaf. The cholesterol and bile master artichoke leaf extract has been used in Mediterranean medicine for centuries for liver and digestive support, prescribed for sluggish liver, poor fat digestion, and constipation caused by inadequate bile flow. Sunnerin and luteolin stimulate both bile production and bile release, improving the liver's primary mechanism for cholesterol excretion and fat processing. Multiple clinical trials confirm artichoke leaf extract reduces total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and liver enzyme markers. A systematic review confirms significant improvements in digestive symptoms and liver function tests. Take artichoke leaf extract before meals for bile stimulation and cholesterol support. Think of it as the Mediterranean liver medicine, prescribed for every condition of digestive sluggishness, because bile flow was the answer to most of them. Plant 5, schisandra. The liver adaptogen schisandra berry, called wu wei zi in Chinese medicine, has been prescribed specifically for liver protection and adaptation to chemical stress for over 2,000 years. Russian researchers studied it extensively for protecting liver function in industrial chemical workers. Schisandrin and other lignans have documented hepatoprotective effects, protecting liver cells from chemical and oxidative damage, stimulating liver detoxification enzymes, and reducing liver enzyme elevations from chemical exposure. Studies confirm schisandra improves liver function tests and supports phase I and phase II detoxification pathways. Take schisandra berry extract for liver adaptogen protection against the toxic load that modern life constantly imposes. Think of it as the liver's adapter for the chemical environment of modern life. Hit that like button and subscribe. Every week, we reveal real liver support, not the laxative detox teas the industry keeps selling. Keep going. Plant 6 licorice root. The liver damage reverser licorice root has been used for liver health across Ayurvedic, Chinese, and Middle Eastern medicine for thousands of years. A clinical trial in liver disease patients produced results that genuinely surprised the hepatologist conducting it. Glycyrrhizin in licorice root has documented anti-inflammatory and hepatoprotective effects on liver tissue. The clinical trial showed oral glycyrrhizin supplementation reduced liver enzyme elevations and reversed markers of established liver inflammation results the lead researcher described as unexpected in magnitude. Use D-glycyrrhizinated licorice for regular use to avoid side effects of whole licorice root. Think of it as the liver medicine that surprised the hepatologist running the trial because it worked better than expected. Plant 7 burdock root. The deep cleanser burdock root has been used across European, Chinese, and Japanese medicine specifically for blood purification and deep metabolic cleansing that supports liver regeneration. Traditional physicians prescribed it for skin problems specifically because they understood chronic skin conditions often reflect liver dysfunction. Artium lapa root contains inulin, a prebiotic fiber, reducing the toxic load the liver must process, along with polyacetylenes with direct liver protective effects. Studies confirm burdock root reduces oxidative stress markers and supports the detoxification processes responsible for clearing metabolic waste. Drink burdock root tea, or eat it as food for deep liver and gut liver support. Think of it as the deep cleaner working on the whole system the liver depends on. Plant 8 chicory root. The prebiotic liver supporter chicory root contains the highest concentration of inulin of any food plant. The connection between gut microbiome health and liver function, the gut-liver axis, is one of the most important discoveries in modern hepatology. When the gut microbiome is healthy, the toxic metabolites produced by pathogenic bacteria, traveling directly from the gut to the liver via the portal vein, are dramatically reduced. Studies confirm chicory root inulin reduces liver fat, improves liver enzyme markers, and supports the gut-liver axis in fatty liver disease patients. Add chicory root to daily food or drink chicory tea for gut-liver axis support. Think of it as the liver support that works by cleaning up the source of the problem before toxins ever reach liver tissue. Plant 9 globe artichoke. The Naffold fighter globe artichoke, the whole food, contains the highest concentration of cynarin and luteolin of any food source, along with chlorogenic acid and comprehensive liver-supporting polyphenols that extracted supplements cannot fully replicate. Studies on whole artichoke consumption confirm improvements in liver enzyme markers, cholesterol profiles, and inflammatory markers in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. NAFLD affects over 25% of the global population and has no approved pharmaceutical treatment. Artichoke provides evidence-based dietary support for the most common liver condition in the world. Eat artichoke hearts regularly, or drink artichoke leaf tea for comprehensive NAFLD support. Think of it as the NAFLD medicine that grows in a garden and cannot be patented. Plant 10 berberine, the NAFLD pharmaceutical match. And here is plant number 10. Berberine activates AMPK in liver cells, reducing hepatic fat synthesis, improving insulin sensitivity in liver tissue, and reducing the inflammatory and oxidative stress driving NAFLD progression. A direct comparison clinical trial showed berberine supplementation produced equivalent reductions in liver fat content and liver enzyme markers to the pharmaceutical treatment currently used for NAFLD with a comparable safety profile. Take 500 milligrams of berberine 3 times daily, with meals for NAFLD management and liver metabolic support. Think of it as the compound that matched the pharmaceutical for the most common liver disease in the world in a published clinical trial. 10 liver plants: milk thistle, dandelion root, turmeric, artichoke leaf, schisandra, licorice root, burdock root, chicory root, globe artichoke, berberine, 10 plants that support real liver function: bile production, hepatocyte protection, detoxification, inflammatory control, and fat metabolism. Your liver is the most important metabolic organ in your body. It deserves better than a detox tea. Smash that like button. Subscribe. See you in